Hey guys, let's make this giant moi moi together. Guys, this moi moi was super delicious. You can see how fluffy and yummy it's looking. So guys, let's start cooking. Firstly, I'm going to add water into my beans. I will allow this to soak for 6 hours. 6 hours. So after then, I'm going to wash it and remove this draft. You can see how I'm doing it. So now our beans is well washed and clean. This is how it came out, looking so clean. So we're going to be blending this with scotch bonnet pepper, onions, and long red bell pepper, also known as tatashe. So we are going to transfer it into our blender. So this is me transferring everything into the blender. I'm going to add in the beans, the scotch bonnet pepper, the long red bell pepper, also known as tatashe, and the onions. Then I'll add water, then cover it and blend till it's smooth, very smooth. So at this point, I'm done blending it, so I have to transfer it into my bowl. So for this moi moi, we are going to be needing 2 boiled eggs. So I'm going to chop this into smaller pieces, then set it aside. And also we are going to be needing boiled fish. So my fish is well scattered. I'm going to set that aside. Then I'll go ahead and start to mix my moi moi. So let's start to add the ingredients. So I added seasoning cubes, I added crayfish, then I added vegetable oil. Also, I added a little bit of red oil. So I'm going to give this a good mix. So I added salt for taste, then give it a good mix. So we are going to transfer the moi moi into our big ramekin dish. You know we are making a giant moi moi. So I rubbed my ramekin dish with oil. I actually mixed the oil with a little bit of vegetable oil. So I'm going to rub my ramekin dish properly, then transfer the moi moi into it. And guys, if you are watched to this extent, meaning you are enjoying my video. If today is your first time coming across my video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe and comment. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much and I really do appreciate. So this is the time to make use of the boiled chopped egg and the boiled fish. So I'll keep doing this step by step. After adding moi moi, I'll add in the boiled egg and the boiled fish. Guys, this moi moi was super delicious, very yummy. Please give this a try, you're gonna love it. This is a must try recipe, okay? So I'm keep repeating it till it's full. You can see how I'm doing it. So after I'm done adding my moi moi into the ramen dish, I'm going to cover it with foil paper. So it's time to cook our moi moi. So I brought out the pot. I put in foil paper because I don't want my dish to be rough. So I'm going to transfer the moi moi into the pot. I added water, then covered it to cook. I actually cooked this for 2 hours 10 minutes because the moi moi was so big. So I allowed it to cook. You can see me checking my moi moi, then I added more water. So at this point, our moi moi is well cooked. Look at that. Look how yummy, fluffy this moi moi is looking. Guys, this was so delicious. Then serve and enjoy. And please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.